Hey guys, we're going to talk about how to add hyperlinks to your Google Slides to make your slideshow non-linear, meaning it's not just one slide after another. It'll allow you to jump your slides back and forth based on whatever choices are made during the presentation. So a lot of times this could be used for games. It could be used for self-led like assignments where they get to choose. It could be choice boards. This is going to allow the participant to click on something on the screen and jump them somewhere else. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to want something for them to click. It could be a title, it could be a button, it could be a shape. You've got a couple options. So we could go up to shapes and add a shape. We could go up to text. We could also go up to insert, and we're going to do an image. So I'm going to look for an actual button. So once we get there, we can look and see if there's different buttons we like. Let's use just the red button. So we have a red button that we're going to have them click. And let's make two of them so that we can do two different things. So what you're going to do, the big thing on this, and this works with all hyperlink stuff, be it text, be it images, no matter what it is, in order to edit anything about that image, you have to click on it and make sure that you see the line around it with the corners. So when I click on it, you'll see the blue line with the dots. Now, at this point, I can hyperlink this. I can turn this button so when somebody clicks on that image, it will do something. So I'm going to go up to where I see the little link, and this is the hyperlink button. So when I click Insert Link, I have a couple options. I can paste a website. So I could send them to a website. I could send them to the link to a Google document. I could send them a lot of different places. You also have the option to link to slides in the presentation. So when I click on this and I do the drop down, I could click where it goes to the next slide. I could go to a previous slide. I could send it to the first or the last slide, but I can also pick different slides. So let's say I want it to go to slide 9. When I hit apply, now when you click on it, it's going to take you to slide 9. Let's say this one, I want you to go to the next slide. So I'm going to click on it so that I see the blue lines, and I'm going to go up and I'm going to hit next slide and apply. So what happens when you're in presentation mode, when I click this one, it's going to the next slide. When I click the one that I said go to slide 9, it's going to jump me to slide 9. So that hyperlink is going to allow us to modify where this goes. Again, you could do it for all kinds of things. You could have a true false game and the right answer take you one way and wrong answer take you another. You could have multiple choice questions and you could tell them if they got it right or wrong based on where you hyperlink to. You could have it like a table of contents and the topics. You could have a choice board. So if they have a choice board of activities, when they click on the button or the link, it's going to take them to the slide for that activity with the instructions. So you have lots of options when you are hyperlinking and creating these nonlinear slides. So it could take you anywhere in that slideshow. So that's how you make a presentation nonlinear using hyperlinks.